There are three main uses of the preposition on. Number one, to say that an object is physically touching the surface of another object. It can be horizontal, the book is on the table. It can be vertical, she hung the pictures on the wall. Or it can be the surface of a body, he has a scar on his arm. Number two, to refer to days and dates. She plays tennis on Mondays. We're having a party on the 9th of May. We went to see the fireworks on New Year's Eve. Number three, to talk about what media or channel is being used to access something. I read about it on the internet. The film's on Channel 4. Let's watch a series on Netflix. Can you think of some example sentences? Put your ideas in the comments.